In today's video, we're zhuzhing up the laundry room in the new house. So if you're interested in seeing it go from drab to fab, then just keep on watching. Okay, so currently this is the situation, and here there is stuff all over the place. I'll get through it in a minute, but this is just me moving in and just putting stuff where it might possibly go so that it's not in a box and in the way. It's just in here, but all of this might be revamped. The first thing that the movers did, obviously, is they put in my washer and dryer. I'm in the middle of doing some laundry, so that's what is in the dryer right now, but I have the space in between here, so I think I'm gonna get, like, I don't know, maybe like a wood shelf. I'll just measure it, and when I find something that I can put in there, then that will be space for me to store things. I could bring them closer together and then maybe put a shelf on the side, but I think I would prefer to have it in the middle. So that's currently what we have there. And then over here, see the doggy bed floor? So that's there. But I also have the cleaning stuff that I want to use to store on this wall. I have bought some like garage racks, and I have like 4 or 5 of them, but I don't need that many in the garage. I'm gonna pull one and use it in here, and then I'll be able to hang all of my cleaning supplies from the wall right there. Mount my Dyson, as you can see, it's plugged in right here, which is great. And then I have my Steam Shot 2. This little ironing board, I've had this for years. I'm thinking about replacing it. I was looking for this. It's a small little ironing board, but I want to get a really big one, and I think I'm gonna hang it from the back of the door. I was going to stack this whole row worth of these baskets because I do have another move the tins. Move this down on top to the tabletop because that's where I use this, and then I'll just use all of the extra supplies that I have. All of that stuff, I'll probably still store that on like this one shelf. I have a little bitty basket of Dyson parts. I think what I'm going to do is use one of those baskets to store those in. And then you guys remember I got this from the Target dollar spot, and then I bought this little tin from Target. This is not the Magnolia one, this is actually the Threshold one, but I still like it because it has the gold handles, which is really nice. So if I have anything wet in here or where it's not dripping and stuff, I could use this. Obviously I have the rod where I can hang like damp clothes and things like that, but this stuff, I'm just using what I've had. Like I've had this laundry service piece, I forget where I got it, some home goods store years ago, but I've had it and I kept it because it actually currently matches the laundry room rug that I have right now. I'm really going to replace all of this. I've had it for years, so I want to do something new, but currently it matches that, so I just kept it. But yeah, I'm just gonna move some things around. Then this tabletop I got from IKEA, as you can see, is huge, but it was sitting in a storage for and it got all kinds of stuff all over it. Even though my mom wiped it down really good for me, I think I want to cover it. So I bought some contact paper from Target. You watched my Target shop with me, so you guys saw the Target contact paper that I was thinking about getting when I went back to the particular Target that I went to this time. They didn't have it. They had it in like a black kind of chalkboardy type material, so I think I'm gonna just use that. I like it white because it matches the shelving units, obviously, but I'm gonna go black. We'll see. The contact paper is really long. Rack is very handy because I can just put my camera up there. This is really nice. Alright, I got my first row. I'm gonna go ahead and just place it. The good thing about it is this is plain black. It doesn't have any type of marbling pattern. So it's really sticky on this side. I want to be really careful. Okay, that's one row down. I got 2 more to go. Okay, so I think I have a finished product here. So I have all the baskets up top, turned them to where they're all facing kind of different. I know they're not symmetrical, which is kind of bothering me, but I think it has more to do with the way that the shelf was installed. I don't think this one is symmetric. I think this shelf is a little bit bigger than this one. So that's why the baskets look like they're off, but they're not. Anyways, excess cleaning supplies here. Got Clorox bleach, the scent boosters. I have my OxyClean and then peroxide as well, which is really good for getting stains out. And then on this side, I have the tins. I have powder detergent in that one. If you saw my laundry organization, it's the same. It's the same one that I did from that. And then I have the caddy, which has some dryer sheets in there. And then in this one I have just some clothespins. Obviously there's the rod, but I just hung this little laundry service sign from it because I thought it was really cute. And then on this side I just put like a wooden tray upside down until I replace it with what I want, but it gives me the perfect height for this guy so that I can pour into the cup when I need to put some liquid detergent in the washer. And then on this side I have my Tide Pods, and on this side I have some scent boosters. So I keep this stuff, I wanted this stuff to be down instead of up there, instead of getting up there every single time I needed something for the washer. I just put what I use the most right there. And then right here I just have this laundry washboard sign that I got from the Target dollar spot, and then I have the threshold bin behind it. Currently has just a few clean clothes in there that I need to fold, and then I just put a little lamp on there so that at night I could still come in here and, you know, turn on a podcast and just listen while I fold clothes or iron clothes or do whatever I need to do. And then there is just the black top. It looks better than having that stained white though, but if I ever get tired of it, the good thing is I can just flip this over and get my white side back, or I can just peel it off because it's not that big of a deal. But I do still want to change that out for like a real wooden top, but temporarily this one works. And then again, I still want to get the shelving unit for the middle. But then on this wall I have the rack that I was telling you guys about. These are made for garages. Again, I felt it would be good to put it in use in here because I don't need this many for my garage, but I love that it has these really sturdy handles. I was able to put hang all of my cleaning stuff, like even my Bissell and my Steam Shot. I've got my Swiffer, the Dyson, you know, the duster, one of my mops, another regular mop, my broom and dustpan. Obviously I also still have my cedar mop that I'll need to put in here, but I was supposed to put like those things in the wall, but it's not holding like ladders or anything, so I just made sure that I put like 2 sturdy nails so that it wouldn't turn, but it's also very sturdy to hold at least just this. It's not holding anything like super sturdy like a garage would, so I think it should be okay. And then I just drilled one extra in, just barely in the wall, so that I could just hang my mop there. But yeah, it holds everything, and this is the laundry room, guys. I mean, it looks pretty good. I keep a ladder there so I can get up there, but I'm happy with it. Let me know what you think in the comments. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more content like this. My name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle here on this channel. You can hit the bell notification to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays when I upload. And I hope to see you in another video, which might be somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.